Today we'll be talking about patterns in the multiplication table. Multiplication table can be really handy in trying to figure out the answers to multiplication problems or division problems, but it isn't the best to rely on a table, so you still need to memorize your multiplication facts and understand the strategies. But let's take a glimpse at a multiplication table. So this is an example of a multiplication table. It has rows and it has columns. So remember, going across are the rows and going down are the columns. If you are looking for the answer to a multiplication problem, what you do is you look at the two factors. So let's say we wanted to find out what 3 times 2 is. So one factor is 3 times 2 equals. So I'm going to look and see what 3 times 2 is. First I look on my top row. I look for my 3. I'm going to circle that. And then I look for my 2 on the column going down, and I'm going to circle that. It's kind of like Battleship, where you have to connect the two areas. So I have a 2, and I'm going to draw a line this way and this way until my lines meet. So 3 times 2 is 6. So the product is 6. Your products are inside the multiplication table. Your factors are on the outside. So right here, this whole row is a group of factors. This whole column is a group of factors too. Everything on the inside is considered a product. Let's do another one. So let's say we have, we want to find a big one, like 8 times 12. Wow, that's huge. So I go up here and I look for my 8. So I'm going to change the color just so we can see it a little bit better. Okay, so I go to my 8, there's my 8, and I'm going to go down here to my 12. Now I'm going to try to get underneath the 8, so I'm going across, 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 and then I'm going down so I can meet up with my 12, and my product is 96. So your two factors are 8 and 12, and your product is 96. Another pattern you can look at, first I'm going to change my color so you can see it a little bit better, is if you go all the way across, so let's say I have my 5 right here. If I look at this whole row, all of these numbers here are products of 5. Going across for this one, all the way across, those are all products of 8. And it can work for your columns too. So if I go to my 10 here and I circle that whole column, those are all products of 10. You just skip counting by 10, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, and so on. So a multiplication table can come in very handy when you're looking for patterns and answers. However, like I said, you always want to memorize your multiplication facts and use your strategies. All right, have a good day.